If you want to make a Discord server public, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to turn on community features in Discord, complete the required safety checks, and finish the setup so your server can be discoverable and ready for more members. This is a simple process, but there are a few important settings you need to configure correctly, so let's walk through it step by step. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Discord guides, software tutorials, and step-by-step walkthroughs just like this. Alright, first, open the Discord app on your computer. On the left sidebar, find the server you want to make public and click it to open the server. Once you're inside the server, look near the top left where the server name appears. Click the server name or the small drop-down arrow right next to it. This will open the server menu. From that menu, select Server Settings. Now you're inside the settings area for your Discord server. On the left side, scroll down until you find the Community section. Under that section, click Enable Community. This is the main setting that starts the process of making your server public and allows you to unlock Discord's community features. After clicking it, hit Get Started to begin the setup wizard. Next, Discord will ask you to complete a few safety checks. This part is important because public servers need some basic moderation protections in place. You'll usually see options like requiring a verified email for all members and scanning media content from all members for explicit material. Go ahead and check both boxes if you want to meet Discord's community requirements and create a safer environment for users joining your server. After that, Discord will ask you to set up your guidelines and update channels. You'll need to select a channel for your rules and a channel for your community updates. If you already have dedicated channels for these, just choose them from the list. If not, Discord may help you create new ones during the setup process, which is really useful if you're building the server from scratch. Make sure the channels you choose are clear, easy to find, and appropriate for new members who are joining your community. Once those channels are set, take a moment to review everything carefully. This is your chance to make sure the safety settings, rules channel, and community updates channel are all correct. When everything looks good, check the box that says you agree to Discord's community guidelines. Then click Finish Setup to complete the process. And that's it. Your Discord server is now set up as a public community server. From here, you can continue customizing roles, channels, permissions, and moderation tools to make the server even better for your members. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Discord tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.